Welcome to the NEV Real Estate channel. My name is Janna. Today, I will tell you about a landmark project that will soon appear in Dubai. These are the Trump Tower hotels and residences. This is the first Trump Tower hotel and residence project in the Emirates, which will be located in the DIFC area. An elegant building, 80 floors high. The first 18 floors will be occupied by the hotel, and everything from the 18th floor upwards will be residences with 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms. There will also be a penthouse, and at the top, there will be the highest infinity pool in the world. And only the residents of this building will have access to it. It is well known that over the past few years, a large number of high net worth individuals have relocated to the Emirates, spending time here, opening businesses and conducting business. And that is why such projects, of course, generate enormous interest among these kinds of buyers. In general, according to statistics, branded residences are always incredibly popular in the Emirates and especially in Dubai. There is always a high level of service quality that the brand brings to such projects. And branded residences are very appealing not only to those who plan to use these projects for their own living, but also, of course, to investors because they offer stable growth and consistently high demand for rentals. That is why this project is undoubtedly very attractive to investors. Let's take a closer look at the project. So the first 18 floors are a hotel. Starting from the 18th floor, there will be residences with 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. The project is located in the DIFC area next to Sheikh Zayed Road. And a major advantage of this project is that the views will be on both sides, offering kind of panoramic views. In this direction, you'll be able to see downtown and the Burj Khalifa. In that direction, there will be a view of the sea. That is on sunny and clear days. You'll even be able to see the Palm Jumeirah. And in fact, you'll also have a view of Port de la Mer and the Bivolgari Residences project. So all of this will be visible from this side of the building. All the infrastructure and parking are located in a separate building. That's how it's required by construction regulations. So this is the building. There will be a multi-level parking garage and 2 swimming pools here. There will also be a lounge with a sort of bar next to the pool. This is connected to the main building by a special passageway. So this building is specifically for what are called amenities for the pool and for parking. Let me show you exactly where this project is located on the map. Here is the site plan. So here is our Trump Tower, Sheikh Zayed Road. You can see downtown and the Burj Khalifa here. So in this direction, you'll see downtown, and in that direction, the sea. The Shangri-La building is nearby. So it's a very conveniently located building. Here is the turn to City Walk. In other words, this building is right in the center, in the very heart of the city's active core. Here, without a doubt, there will be all the necessary infrastructure, such as a spa, restaurants, and what's important to note, the residents of this project will have access, or rather, the opportunity to enter an exclusive club specifically for the residents of this project. That is the private Trump Club. This is a very prestigious club, which you can only enter by recommendation from 2 current members of the club. Regardless of anything else, and regardless of any political views and so on, projects like this will always be in demand, and the name speaks for itself. That is, it's a level of quality, a level of service, a level of involvement, a high standard of living. So this project will always be in demand, including among investors. Now, let me tell you a bit more about the club. The club itself will be located here, right above the hotel and just before the residential floors. Again, this is a private members-only club that you can only enter by recommendation from existing members. And it is available to residents of Trump residences and owners of these residences. Let me tell you a bit more about the apartment. There are 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments, as well as 4 bedroom penthouses. Prices start at around 2.5 million dirhams. 1 bedroom apartments will soon be released to the market. Most of the 2 and 3 bedroom units have already been sold. This project is selling out very quickly. There is extremely high demand, so don't wait too long. Don't miss the chance to acquire this kind of trophy asset. a trophy property that will always hold its value and appreciate over time. Trump Hotel and Residences is a collaboration between the Trump brand and the developer DarGlobal, a very well-known developer with numerous projects around the world, and in particular in Dubai. They also recently launched projects in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, including a Trump Tower that has become incredibly popular and is in extremely high demand. So this developer is truly reputable and has an extensive track record of completed projects as well as those currently under construction. The expected completion date for the project is December 2031. We would be happy to provide more details and help you choose the best option, as well as give you all the information about the project, apartment availability. Leave your questions and contact us for more detailed information.